Hello YouTubers, I'm Justin and today on Dashandrun, well, a bit of a different thing. We're going to be having a look at this. Now this is a Ryobi 18 volt cordless workshop blower. I had a look at one of these recently in the store and thought I'll get one of these because I've got a little workshop and this looked quite a good thing to get. So anyway, like all my videos, we'll start by showing you what's in the box and then I'll give you a bit of a demonstration and see if it's something that you might want for your own workshop. Anyway, let's go and have a look and see what's in the box and we'll go from there. So the first thing out the box is the manual for the workshop blower, and it also includes a warranty card for the actual blower too. Next is this interesting thing here. Basically this is a extension nozzle that will go on the end of the blower for you using it as a blower, and it's made out of a sort of a rubbery substance. I've had blowers before and they're normally made out of a sort of a harder plastic, but this one's only made out of a softer sort of rubbery substance. And finally we've got the Ryobi workshop blower, and as you can see it's not very big compared to the size of my hand, so it's quite a small unit. Now it's along all of the range of Ryobi that come without the battery, because they basically use the same battery through the whole system. So to save on costs, you buy the tool and then you get your own range of batteries for that tool, so that they're cheaper. So this is only a $99 unit. Now what I'm going to do next is basically demonstrate it and see if it's something that you want to get maybe for your workshop or use for whatever you need to use. One of the purposes I also want to use this for is to clearing out gutters on the top of the house when they get a lot of leaves into it. I want something a bit more smaller and compact that I can use on that. Also, while I'm on the subject, we've got the little end piece that basically just goes on the end like so, and you screw it round like that and that will give you the blower attachment. So that gives you the full size of the blower, as you can see now. So it's not an exceptionally big piece of equipment. So next, let's go see how well this blower performs up on the roof and also in my workshop, and see if it's something that you may want to get yourself for whatever purpose that you might need to use something like this for. Anyway, as you can see, it's pretty damn good, and I'm a bit of a fan of the Ryobi stuff. As you can see in the background here, I use it quite a lot, so I can definitely recommend this blower. It's pretty damn good. Anyway, I'm Justin, and as always, thanks for watching, and please subscribe to my channel.